Hey guys, my name is Olivia Arezzolo. I am the sleep specialist, and on behalf of Sleep and Beyond, I am thrilled to bring you the reasons why wool is going to help you get your best quality sleep. So we all know that when you wake up from a super juicy, rejuvenating sleep, you feel absolutely amazing. I just want you to close your eyes and just think about the last time you had that really amazing quality sleep. You know, how energized you were in the morning, how focused you were, how you could accomplish absolutely everything. So that's what I want you to achieve every single night. And how wool is going to help you is that, first and foremost, wool is a thermoregulatory fiber. So what this means is, if you're too hot, wool has a really unique ability to draw moisture away from the body, keeping you cool, not basking in your own sweat, and allowing you to stay in a cool body temperature. Why this is relevant is because if your body becomes too hot, you stop producing a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin makes you sleepy. So for this reason, in order to maintain sleep throughout the evening and then wake up feeling amazing, you want to have a cool body temperature, and wool naturally provides this. So sleeping on wool, having a wool pillow, having a mattress protector, all of these factors really important. Step 2 and reason 2 why wool is going to help you is that it has a great compression rate. So research shows that 95% of wool, if it's compressed, it retains 95% of its shape. And what this means is, if you have pressure points on your mattresses, which otherwise would wake you up, wool will allow you to alleviate those pressure points and allow you to stay in that deep quality sleep rather than tossing and turning. So there are heaps more reasons why wool is amazing on the Sleep and Beyond blog, and I definitely recommend you check it out, because you will be just as thrilled as I am. And I want you to attain your best quality sleep, and I'm sure that's what you want too. Just remember that, remember that beautiful feeling. That's what you can achieve, and one of the best ways to do that is by sleeping on wool. I hope this is helpful, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and speaking with you guys soon.